Hello students, so we have completed chapter number 1, 2 and 3. हमने 3 chapters English language के complete कर लिए हैं. First 3 chapters we have completed. Now we are moving on to chapter number 4, noun as numbers. The noun numbers. Okay, so this is a little lengthy chapter, थोड़ा बड़ा है, and this needs a little bit of understanding. Yes, आपको समझना है, आपको practice करना है, practice the examples of it. That's how you will go through this chapter. And we are going to take this chapter page by page. ठीक है, we'll take this chapter slowly so that you practice and you understand every single thing, and so that you don't make any mistakes. Okay. So I want you all to take page number 14, first page of chapter number 4. Everyone please take out the page. Chapter 4, the noun in terms of numbers. Read the following sentences. A man was throwing a stone at a frog. Some men were throwing stones at frogs. Okay, so the first sentence, a man was throwing a stone at a frog. One man, one stone, and one frog. So this was a singular sentence. Now what is singular? Singular is one. One means singular. When we talk about one person, one thing, one place, that is singular noun. That is singular noun. Okay, now when we talk about more than one person, more than one place, or more than one thing, is called as plural sentences. It's called as plural. Okay, it is called as plural, and those sentences are called as plural sentences. Okay, जब हम एक से ज़्यादा की बात करते हैं, जब हम एक से ज़्यादा की बात करते हैं तो उसे हम कहते हैं plural. What do we call it as? Plural. Okay, and when we talk about only one person, place, thing, we call it as singular. Single means one. Okay, so a man was throwing a stone at a frog. One man, one stone, one frog. Everything is in singular. So this is a singular sentence. Okay. Some men were throwing stones at frogs. You can see men. Men is plural. Man is singular. Stones. More than one stone because more than one man. So more than one stone, it's plural. And more than one frog, frogs are in plural. So this is a plural sentence. In the first sentence, the noun man, frog and stone stand for only one person, animal and thing. One person, man, one thing, stone, one animal, frog. Okay, so these nouns are said to be singular number. These nouns are said to be singular number. In the second sentence, the nouns men, frog, stones stand for more than one person, animal and thing. So these nouns are said to be in plural number. Okay, men. Men is the plural of man. Stones is the plural of stone. And frogs is the plural for frog. Okay, so this is a plural sentence and we call it as plural number. Okay, now let's see the following pictures. So you can see a pen, one pen, and number of pens. Okay, how many pens are there? Count with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. More than one pen, we call it as pens. Okay, and this is one pen. And same way, leaf. Okay. So what is the plural for leaf? Leaves. Okay. Nouns can be singular or plural. Nouns can be both. Nouns can be one. Nouns can be more than one. Okay. How to form plurals? Now children, you have this blue box and you have a lot of examples in this. Let's see what these examples are. Balloon, balloons. Cake, cakes. Door, doors. Egg, eggs. Face, face. So children, these are some examples of words in which in the end of the word we add s. We add an s. Okay, to make it plural. हम किसी भी word के end में s लगा देंगे तो वो plural हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे कुछ examples दिए हैं. इन examples में words दिए हैं जिनमें we can just add s. ठीक है, इन words में हम s लगा सकते हैं to make it from singular to plural. Singular से plural में बनाने के लिए हम s add करते हैं इन words में. ठीक है, बाकी सारे words में we'll see more further. We have more words in which we need to add different words, different letters to make it plural. Okay, some other words. और भी words हैं जिनमें हमें और letters लगाने पड़ते हैं to change it from singular to plural. Okay, nouns that end in ch, sh, s, ss or x form their plurals by adding es in their singular. Okay, so for examples, bench, we have the word bench, then we add es in the end to make it benches. All right, we have the word church, we add es in the end to make it churches. Now church is singular, churches is plural. Understood? So these are some words. You can go through all these words in which we can add es in the end to make it plural from singular. Singular से plural में बनाने के लिए हम end में es add कर देते हैं तो ये words singular से plural बन जाते हैं. Okay? Moving ahead. Nouns that end in y. Now I'm reading the next one. Okay, this one. Nouns that end in y, which has a consonant before it, forms their plurals by changing y into ies. For example, army, armies. Army में end में y है और उसके आगे consonant लगा है तो army will change into armies by adding ies. Okay, ies add करने से armies बन जाएगा. Baby, babies. Now baby is singular, babies is plural. Okay, so these are some example. Lily, reply, story. So these are some words which turn into plural by adding ies. Moving ahead. But only s is added to the singular if the y has a vowel before it. Children, do you know what are vowels? Okay, I'll tell you. The letters A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called as vowels. These are called as vowels. Always remember. Always keep saying it. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. That's how you learn. Okay. So these letters are vowels. Okay. I'll tell you more about it when the chapter comes. Okay. Right now, we just have to remember the letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Alright, so when we have a word ending with y and before y we have a vowel. This is a little complicated. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी नाइसली. अच्छे से समझिए. अगर लेटर के एंड में y है और उस y के आगे एक वावल लगा है, अगर उस y के आगे वावल लगा है, so we will only add s in the end to make it plural. For example, boy. For example, boy. B-O-Y. Okay, so we have y in the end, but we have o in the middle. O is a vowel. So we will add s in the end to make it plural. So boy will become boys. Alright? Understood? More examples. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Y in the end, E before Y. A-E-I-O-U are our vowels. E is a vowel. So we will add S in the end to make it plural. Okay? And you have so many examples. Key, keys, monkey, monkeys, story, stories, toy, toys. Okay, so go through these examples more. Now this is, I think, more than enough for today. Just try to understand that much because the last part was a little complicated. So try to understand it again. Try to watch this video again. Ask your parents if you have any doubt, and if they have any doubt, if you have any further doubts, you can ask me. कोई भी problem हो, आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं message पे, and I am always there. I'll solve all of your doubts. And try to go through this. वापस से रिवाइज करें, वापस से देखें, सारे एग्जाम्पल्स देखें, प्रैक्टिस करें, and then next week we will start ahead. Okay, we'll start with the next nouns in terms of singular and plural. Okay, so this is a big chapter. थोड़ा बड़ा chapter है, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, but हम लोग धीरे धीरे करेंगे, सब कुछ समझ के करेंगे, and then I'll see you next week. Thank you.